Welcome. My name is Kira Francis. I am the Electronic Timesheets Coordinator at PSI. Today I'm going to walk you through the bi-monthly timesheet process. Bi-monthly timesheets are submitted twice a month. The first half is due no later than the 16th of the month, and the second half is due no later than the 1st of the following month. On the 1st and the 16th of the month, you will receive an email with a link to log on to enter your timesheets. Here is an example of the email. Click on the link to be taken to your personal dashboard. Here is what your dashboard looks like. It has 3 sections. The top section is your current contracted positions. The middle section is a history of timesheets that you are working on or have completed. The bottom section is for sub-timesheets that need created. Now I'm going to walk you through creating a timesheet for your current contracted position. After you click on the new timesheet button on your dashboard, you'll be taken to this screen. Here you choose the month and year, as well as the half timesheet to create. Click on 1 through 15 for the first half, and 16 through 31 for the second half. You must create a first half timesheet, even if you did not work, before you can create a second half timesheet. If you did not work in either the first or second half, please submit a timesheet with 0 hours. Once you create a half timesheet, you cannot create a new one. You must add hours to the one you already created. To access the timesheet you already created, find the appropriate half timesheet in the timesheet history, middle section of your dashboard. Click on the View button. This will take you into the timesheet where you can add hours. This is what a first half timesheet looks like. Place your hours worked in the regular worked box. If you have leave time to enter, please enter it on the day you took leave. Select the leave type from the drop-down and place the hours in the box next to the leave type. You will also see your weekly allocated hours and the year-to-date time remaining on the timesheet. Click Update Total before clicking the Submit button to show all hours. If you want to enter your hours daily or weekly, please click Save and Return to List instead of Submit. This is what the second half timesheet looks like. Please click Update Total before submitting so all your hours are showing on this timesheet. This slide gives you a more detailed explanation of the items I just explained on the timesheet. After clicking the Submit button for the second half timesheet, if you have gone over your weekly allocated hours at all during the month, the system requires you to enter a reason for the over hours. After entering your reason, click Submit. Your director will then be notified of the reason. Once they approve the over hours, the timesheet will be sent to the principal for approval. The timesheet will stay in the new status until your director approves the over hours. If you did not go over your weekly allocated hours, you will be taken to this screen. Click Submit to confirm the hours being submitted. Please make sure to log off when you are done. Some schools do not participate in the electronic timesheet process. A bi-monthly paper timesheet will need to be submitted for those schools. If a school does not participate, when you click on the new timesheet button on your dashboard, you'll receive a message letting you know. Your principal will still only receive your timesheet once a month to approve. They receive the approval email starting on the first business day of the following month. For this reason, your second half timesheet needs to be submitted by the 1st. Now I'm going to walk you through creating a bi-monthly sub-timesheet. You'll receive an email with the link on the 1st and the 16th to access your dashboard. Click on the link provided in the email. The sub-timesheets are in the sub-timesheet section of your dashboard. Sub-timesheets are created in the bottom section of the dashboard. Click on the New Timesheet button in the sub-timesheet section. If you have already created a timesheet for the same person for the same month, the timesheet will be in the Timesheet History, middle section of your dashboard. Click on the View button to access the half timesheet. If you don't have any sub-time to enter, or you have already created all of your sub-timesheets, the bottom section will be blank. After you click on the New Timesheet button for the sub-timesheet, you will be taken to this screen. Select which half timesheet you want to create. Here is the sub-timesheet. Please do not submit your sub-timesheet until the 16th for the first half and the last day you work in the month for the second half. This is because if you sub for the same person multiple times during the half, those hours go on the same timesheet. And if you submit the timesheet, you will not be able to add hours. Instead, click Save and Return to List until you are all done for the half. Then click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will get a pop-up message asking you if you are sure you want to submit your timesheet. If you are sure, click Continue. After clicking Continue, you will be taken to this screen. Make sure everything looks correct, then click the Submit button. There are 4 schools that do not participate in the electronic timesheet process. If you sub at one of those schools, you must submit a bi-monthly paper timesheet. The clinic should have some available for you. Now I'm going to talk about creating a bi-monthly permanent sub admin timesheet. If you are a permanent sub, you can also do your admin timesheet electronically. This will also be submitted twice a month. After submitting all of your sub timesheets for the half, please fill out your admin timesheet for the half for your guaranteed hours. The admin timesheet will be in the top section of your dashboard. Click on the New button, choose the half timesheet to create, then add hours and submit the admin timesheet. If you have any questions or issues using the bi-monthly timesheet process, please contact me at kirafrancis@psi-solutions.org. Thank you.